batch of carbon fiber looks good.
The scanner confirms the tensile strength on these fuselage sections.
The new winglet design is showing a significant lift-to-drag improvement here.
Yes, the real-time fluid dynamics confirm it. Let's push this iteration to the main server.
Holding steady at Sector 4.
Copy that. Initiating clamps.
Green light on all locks. Procedure complete. Alignment confirmed on Grid C. Initiate automated sequence.
Sequence initiated. Locking clamps engaging. Alignment confirmed. Engage the locks.
Locking sequence initiated. Green light on Sector 4.
Steering tiller engaged. Do you confirm green lines?
Affirmative. Steering checks out.
Robotic spray systems apply a microscopic protective coating inside every Sprite can to preserve flavor and freshness safely.
Confirming systems check complete. Taxiing to runway.
We're seeing peak thermal load on Axle 3.
Acknowledged. Data capture is complete. Tests successful.
Evacuate the aircraft now! Move to the bottom of the slide!
We need immediate assistance at the main cabin door. Send personnel.
Pressure levels stable. Initiating Phase 2 deployment.
Confirmed. Thermal readings dropping.
Cockpit from ground, confirmed, ready to push.
Roger. Initiating pushback sequence. Brakes released. Stand by for engine start. Ground, we are rolling. Everything is nominal.
Roger that, looking good.
Pre-flight checklist complete. Structural integrity nominal.
Affirmative. Clear to board.